Best time to trade USD JPY. The USD JPY currency pair, a cornerstone of the Forex market, has long captivated traders with its unique dynamics. Two striking facts underscore its allure: its unparalleled liquidity, surpassing even the iconic USD pair, and its remarkable correlation with global economic events, particularly those related to risk appetite and geopolitical tensions. These factors, combined with the distinct trading hours of the Japanese and American markets, create a complex yet rewarding landscape for those seeking to capitalize on its price movements. The most opportune time to trade USD JPY is during the Asian trading session, which typically runs from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. GMT. This period, when both the Tokyo and New York markets are open, witnesses heightened volatility and liquidity, providing ample opportunities for traders to profit from price fluctuations. The overlap of these two major financial centers ensures that a substantial volume of buy and sell orders is executed, creating a dynamic and responsive market environment. However, it's important to note that the Asian trading session is not the only time when USD JPY can be traded profitably. The London trading session, which begins at 7 a.m. GMT and extends until 4 p.m. GMT, also offers favorable conditions for traders. During this time, European investors join the market, contributing to increased activity and potential price swings. While the liquidity may not be as high as during the Asian session, the London market often provides opportunities for scalpers and day traders who seek to capitalize on short-term price movements. Beyond the traditional trading hours, traders should also consider the impact of economic indicators and news events on the USD JPY pair. Key releases from both the United States and Japan, such as interest rate decisions, GDP data, and employment figures, can significantly influence the currency's value. By staying informed about these events and analyzing their potential impact on the markets, traders can make more informed decisions and increase their chances of success. In conclusion, the best time to trade USJPY is a multifaceted question that depends on a variety of factors, including trading style, risk tolerance, and market conditions. While the Asian trading session offers the most favorable conditions in terms of liquidity and volatility, the London market can also provide profitable opportunities. By understanding the unique dynamics of this currency pair and carefully considering the factors that influence its price movements, traders can make informed decisions and maximize their potential returns.